Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. Today I'm discussing important previous year question of life. Let's start the question number 119. The Sea of Marmara joined the option A Black Sea and the Sea of Azov, B Black Sea with the Aegean Sea, C Mediterranean Sea with the Adriatic Sea, D North Sea with the Baltic Sea. The correct answer option number B Black Sea with the Aegean Sea. Question number 120. Fold in the mountains are the result of option A compressional force, B parallel force, C shear force, D tensional force. The correct answer option number A compressional force. Question number 121. A place where an earthquake originates is called option A epicenter, B focus, C fault line, D crust. The correct answer option number B focus. It is also known as hypocenter. The vertical point is called as epicenter. Question number 122. National Institute of Disaster Management is at option A Punjab, B Manipur, C New Delhi, D Hyderabad. The correct answer option number C New Delhi. Question number 123. The term disaster is derived from which of the following languages? Option A Latin, B Greek, C Arabic, D French. The correct answer option number D French. Question number 124. As the magnitude of natural disaster whereas their frequency of occurrence. Option A increase, B decrease, C remain same, D none of the above. The correct answer option number B decrease. Question number 125. The Disaster Management Act was made in option A 2004, B 2005, C 2007, D 2008. The correct answer option number B 2005. Question number 126. Tsunami are waves generated by option A underwater landslide, B earthquake, C volcanic eruption, D all of the above. The correct answer option number D all of the above. Question number 127. Which of the following is a natural hazard? Option A earthquake, B cyclone, C landslide, D all of the above. The correct answer option number D all of the above. Question number 128. How much percentage of Indian land is prone to earthquake? Option A 52%, B 59%, C 60%, D 62%. The correct answer option number B 59%. Question number 129. Powerful tsunami are produced by option A volcanic eruption, B cyclone, C tornado, D earthquake. The correct answer option number D earthquake. Earthquake is measured by seismograph. The magnitude is measured by Richter scale and intensity is measured by Mercalli scale. Question number 130. Landslides occur due to option A intensity of rainfall, B steep slope, C deforestation, D all of the above. The correct answer option number D all of the above. Question number 132. World Wetland Day is celebrated on option A January 2, B February 2, C April 22, D May 14. The correct answer option number D February 2. Question number 133. The Wildlife Protection Act of India was given in the year option A 1975, B 1973, C 1972, D 1917. The correct answer option number C 1972. Question number 134. GPS stands for option A Geographical Positioning Satellite, B Global Positioning System, C Global Positioning Satellite, D Ground Postal Services. The correct answer option number B Global Positioning System. Question number 135. Wind blows because of difference in option A temperature, B latitude, C longitude, D height. The correct answer option number A temperature. Question number 136. Which of the following generate maximum energy? Option A hurricane, B all of the ocean waves, C a nuclear bomb, D a hydrogen bomb. The correct answer option number A hurricane. Question number 137. NGT stands for option A National Green Energy, B National Green Tribunal, C National Grid Tribunal, D National Groundwater Technology. The correct answer option number B National Green Tribunal, founded in 2010. Question number 138. Burning of plastic release which of the following harmful gases in the atmosphere? Option A dioxins, B helium, C oxygen, D hydrogen. The correct answer option number A dioxin. Question number 139. Among several natural hazards, which one is known as silent killer? Option A tsunami, B noise, C landslide, D earthquake. The correct answer option number B noise. Question number 140. The number of major biosphere identified by Man and Biosphere Committee in India are 1A 11, B 12, C 13, D 14. The correct answer option number A 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share it. Thank you.